Restaurant style crispy corn recipe. Take 1 cup of sweet corn, boil it, strain the water, let it cool down. Take wide flattened curved rim plate or a bowl. Take the corn into the plate, add 2 pinches of pepper and salt for taste. Start coating the corn with half spoon ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon corn flour, 1 spoon all-purpose flour. Mix the corn well to blend the ingredients. Start coating the corn with half spoon all-purpose flour, half spoon corn flour. Don't use the hand, just shake the bowl up and down or side to side. Sprinkle the water on the corn and again coat the corn with all-purpose flour and corn flour. Repeat the process of coating the corn 4 to 5 times. In between, sprinkle the water. Take the frying pan, add 200 ml of oil, heat it to have a deep fry. Before adding the corn into the oil, just strain the extra powder with the strainer. Add the coated corn slowly and try to keep a lid on top of frying pan, not completely, just to avoid the splatter of oil on the body. It may cause accident or burns. Please be cautious while frying the corn. When the corn got golden color on both the sides, remove it from the oil. This is the crispy corn. Now we are going to make Chinese style corn recipe. Take half cup of chopped onion, half cup of chopped capsicum, half cup of chopped coriander, chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Take a pan, add oil 2 to 3 spoon and then add onion, chopped onion, fry it and then add capsicum, garlic, ginger slowly one by one. Add chopped 2 to 3 green chili. Saute them for 2 minutes. Add half cup of spring onion. Add red chili sauce 1 spoon, Schezwan sauce 1 spoon, soya sauce 1 spoon. Add tomato ketchup 2 spoons. Add salt for taste. Just saute for a while. Now add this prepared crispy corn into this pan. Saute them for a while. Then add chopped coriander. Saute it for. Switch off the flame. The recipe is ready to serve. Here is the another recipe with crispy corn. Here we are mixing just the vegetables. Add half spoon chaat masala. For 1 cup of crispy corn, add 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped tomato. Add salt to taste and half spoon of lemon juice. 1 cup chopped coriander. Mix them well. The recipe is ready to serve. Just try the recipe and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you. Namaste.